Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by reading the exact PowerShell error message and note the command and line numbers. Next, confirm the PowerShell edition and version, for example PowerShell 7 versus Windows PowerShell 5. 1. Because behavior differs. Then determine if the problem is permission-related, a missing module, or a wrong file path. Record the failing command and any module names. Keep your session logs or output to a file using outfile for later review and reproducibility. If the error is execution policy related, run set execution policy remote signed as administrator to allow local scripts. If a module is missing, run install module name scope current user to install it for your account. If a downloaded file is blocked, run unblock file path /script ps1 to lift the block. When a path is wrong, use resolve path and confirm the exact file location. Rerun the failing command after each change to isolate the specific fix. After applying fixes, test the script again and confirm the original error no longer appears. If you need consistent behavior, set explicit module versions with install module name required version 1. 2. 3. Review current policies with get execution policy list and revert global policy if you loosened it temporarily. Log successful commands with t-object to capture output while you see it. Finally, document the solution steps and required commands for future reference and team sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.